GitHub is a website where you can upload your code projects. GitHub is to code as YouTube is to videos.
Remote workflow. Remote workflow.
So you know how you can create commits locally, right? Well, you can upload those commits onto GitHub so your teammates can download them and have the latest updates for the project. Now, it also works the other way around. So if you're the one who's behind, obviously you're going to download your team's latest commits so that, your local version of the project is up to date. Let's go over an example. A project can be created locally first, then uploaded onto GitHub, or you can create it on GitHub first, then download it. Once you have the project on your computer, you would normally create a feature branch. While on this new feature branch, you would make changes and create commits on it. These commits and this new feature branch are then pushed onto GitHub. This allows you to open something called a pull request. A pull request is basically a special page on GitHub where you choose where you want to merge this new feature branch and its commits. Pull requests let your teammates double check your work and leave notes. There's also a feature where you see highlights of what code was updated and any possible merge conflicts. Now it's all on GitHub's UI, so it's much easier to see and understand. Once the pull request is completed, other teammates can pull down that new feature branch that you uploaded and its commits. From here, the cycle continues and the project is refined and improved over time. All right, so a lot of people get Git and GitHub confused. Now, Git is the actual tool that we've all been using this time to create the commits and basically manage changes at a local level. And GitHub is a website where you can upload your project and share it with other people.